This is a city within a city. And at the beating heart, the core of the building, where 10,000 people come every day, we built a generative artwork that all of those people pass by, pass through, and interact with.
If they're having a very stressful day, this is the place to come.
I just feel kind of more at peace. I feel like I can slow down and think about the things that are important.
We created over 35 touch designer scenes, and every element in the artwork is handcrafted. So we're combining that handcrafted and hand-painted look and feel with the capability of touch designer, real-time and generative graphics. The LiDAR system makes them part of the artwork. So their presence and their motion triggers things in the scenes that weren't there before and turns the painting into something that literally blossoms in front of your eyes. To be part of a project that has changed the skyline of Manhattan is an unbelievable honor. But to hear from the employees who come to work here that what we created is their favorite part of the building, that it's where they come to relax, it's where they come to feel calm. As experienced designers, that's the transformation we were aiming for.